Machini ya Ramogi yudo weche manyien mag kagi kacha nyinga en George Bati. Jatend migao mar arita Kipchumba MURKOMEN oseonjore manyo neno e kinde ng'anyo mar 10 ji manowito ngimagi e ng'anyo maduong' mar 6 higa mokalo. MURKOMEN motwak kod jofwambo yango ni gisechako timo nonro mar yango Maundu manyo turo kendo kwalo mwandu e gwenge mopogore opogore ka bende okoni jomanyo ochano ng'anyo mag Maundu ibiro kawnegi ondamo.
What unfolded yesterday was not a protest. It was terrorism disguised as dissent. There was no peaceful demonstration. More than 10 Kenyans were killed. Investigations are ongoing on the numbers and the circumstance that this happened. Over 400 were injured. Close to 300 are police officers. Some left with injuries they will carry for the rest of their lives. Key government installations and offices were targeted. At least 9 police stations were attacked, 5 of which were torched, including Dagoretti, Molo, and Olkalau, to name a few. 88 police vehicles were destroyed. A total of 27 national and county government vehicles were destroyed, and 65 civilian vehicles parked in various police stations, including a school bus, were burnt. The criminals were aiming at the officers on duty. They were after guns in the armories and the police uniforms. 5 firearms were stolen in Dagoretti Police Post, Kiambu County, while 4 were burnt at Kashui Police Post.